We're now entering the valley of Honopu. This is a sacred valley. It is the burial grounds. Even some of the chiefs and royal family members buried in here. The ridge lines back here go up 4,000 feet high. And look out towards the ocean from here. Should be a pretty nice view.
Have you seen these islands? Have you seen the beauty of this land? Do you know its people? Brothers, sisters walking hand in hand. Have you seen the ocean? Miles and miles of crystal deep blue seas. Can you smell the flowers? Fill the air with fragrances for free. This is aloha. This is aloha.
The beach over to the right of us is Kalalau Beach. You can hike to that one. It takes only 8 hours to get there. It's a state park. Camping's allowed. Permits required.
Have you felt the power? Mountain craters throwing lava in the air, for its green swept beauty. From each island blossoms everywhere. Have you felt its spirit?
These nice ridge lines you start to notice over the beaches there. Finally, we call cathedrals. They've been featured in many movies.
Love these islands. Nothing in the world can compare. This is aloha. This is aloha. This is aloha. This land of Hawaii.
This is Kalalau Valley. Once up to 5,000 Hawaiians living in this one valley. Today, it's just hippies. The hippies living there. They're growing some good crops in there too, from what I heard.
Have you felt the power? Mountain craters throwing lava in the air.
Water's been pretty nasty out here. This morning the waves were much bigger. It's calmed down a little bit. Still pretty rough though. All this white water you see on the coast, it's not normal. All this haze you're looking at, this is from the sea spray. So all the sea spray from the waves.
Ancient gods, their mother still lives here. Colored rainbows stretch across.
Do you ever see sharks from up here?
We sure do, yeah.
Mountains making
That's why I don't surf anymore. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, there's sharks out here. On the calm, no wind, no surf days, you could see everything in the water. Sharks, turtles, dolphins, stingrays, fish. This year we had a lot of shark sightings. The water's been a little warm this year. Hanging around a lot.
this is aloha. This
Now right in front of us on the corner is Ke'e. That is the end of the road on the north side of the island where the hike starts for the Napale. Now legally the farthest you can hike without a permit is this valley on a coffee island. Hike all the way into the back of this valley. There's a nice 700-foot waterfall you can swim at. To reach the falls, just about 2.5 hours of hiking, so pack lunch. Bring a lot of water, have a nice picnic at the falls and swim. You should be able to, oh go ahead.
I was going to say, I did it, then I chickened out and retreated.
Well, how far did you get?
To the base of the waterfall.
Oh, wait, you made it to the waterfall, but you didn't swim. Is that what you're saying? Water was too cold for you?
I just wanted to get back before dark.
Oh, I know why. Because that waterfall's clothing optional. You didn't want to strip down, huh? You were embarrassed?
No, there was other people that, I have to hand it to them.
Last look down the coast, and then we'll continue to the north side of the island. Hard to see the waterfall, very hazy today, but it's back there, that white line way in the back in the shadows. That's the Napale Coast. Right where the beach ends, Miley, that's the end of the road right there. So the North Shore is the surf side of the island. World champions grew up surfing this coastline. That's a famous surf spot right in front of us. All these waves rolling in. It's called Tunnels. It was featured in the movie Soul Surfer. Based off a true story, pro surfer Bethany Hamilton. She got armed it up by a shark. This is actually where that shark attack happened in real life. Still surfing with one arm, too. You're surfing all the time. Town of Haena on the right. That's where Pierce Brosnan, the actor, that's where he lives. He's been here for about 15 plus years. Drew Barrymore's got a home down there. All these towns in front of us, too, all celebrities. Ben Stiller, Will Smith. Julia Roberts just sold her $17.5 billion. Mark Zuckerberg's property is around that far, far corner. Paid over $100 million for his building there now. He's not stopping there either. He wants privacy, so he offered his neighbor $49 million to get out. Neighbor took the money and ran. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson also. He just got married here, in fact, about a month ago. He's been filming a lot of movies on the island. You'll see a movie come out soon called Jungle Cruise. He filmed that here. Movie out in theaters right now. It's called Hobbs and Shaw, the spin-off of Fast and the Furious. I was filmed here too. In fact, you might even see me in the movie. I am actually in the movie. It did get hard to be The Rock's body double for the film. I did work on it though, not as a body double.